Hi, my name is Jay Swearingen with Winnebago Industries Service Department. Today we're going to talk about the Sani Flush. For those of you that don't know what that is, it is a way to clean out the inside of your black tank. If you hook your garden hose to the Sani Flush connection, it will squirt water inside the black tank, filling it. So you will need to have your hose hooked up and the gate valve pulled to make sure you don't overfill the tank. It's always a good idea to periodically clean the inside of your black tank with the Sani Flush. This valve is the freshwater inlet valve. They look almost identical, the Sani Flush valve and the freshwater inlet, or city fill valve as we call it. They do two completely different things. Make sure you're hooking to the right valve. If you want to clean your black tank, you're going to want the Sani Flush valve. If you want to supply water, city water, to your coach, make sure you're hooking to the freshwater inlet valve.